Hi, this is Irene from Amazon Australia, and I'm here to show you how to create a shipment using Amazon Send program. Step 1. Amazon Send helps sellers to inbound inventory from China into Amazon fulfillment centers in Australia via ocean mode and air mode. These services are provided by partner carriers, not by Amazon. Since Amazon is not a party to the agreement between you and the carrier, you must first contact the partner carrier to sign a service agreement before creating your send shipment. This agreement only needs to be signed once. After this, you can create your send shipments without doing this again. Step 2. The first thing you need to do is to go to Send to Amazon workflow and start a new shipment. Make sure that your address is an eligible address in China. If you want to use Amazon Send to inbound your products into Amazon fulfillment centers in Australia, you don't need to be based in China. You can ship your products directly from your manufacturer or distributor. Then, select the SKUs that you want to inbound into Amazon FCs and click Confirm and Continue. Step 3. Pack your products accordingly. Different modes of transport and carriers have different packaging requirements. We recommend checking Amazon Send help pages for more details. Step 4. Confirm your shipment details. In this step, you will need to confirm your shipment details in Amazon Send, which is selected by default. Start by entering the ship date. This date is when you're planning to hand your inventory to the partner carrier. Rates will be calculated based on this date. Then you will need to choose between pickup service and drop-off service. You can check coverage location in Amazon help pages via tooltip. Next, select the product category and decide whether you want to use the carrier IOR or EOR or your own. Once these details are completed, you can calculate your estimated shipping cost, which will show a breakdown by mode and carrier. For shipping options, you can choose within air freight, handled by Chiofan and Sam Express, or ocean freight, handled by Danifei. Please provide the contact information for your shipping coordinator in the origin contact details field. This helps our carrier to connect with the right person to organize your send shipment. Since payments are processed directly with the carrier rather than via Amazon, please note that the display price is an estimate and final cost should be confirmed with the carrier. Once you have filled in everything, take a moment to review your information. Check the estimated shipping cost and hit confirm to proceed with your shipment. Step 5. Print and apply box labels. Each box requires 2 labels, one from Amazon FBA and one from the partner carrier. You will also receive an automatically populated packing list template containing all of the items in your shipment. Step 6. You are done. You can use the tracking ID to follow your shipment. The partner carrier will contact you in the following hours to arrange your shipment. Any concern regarding your booking must be made directly with the relevant partner carrier. For more information, please visit Amazon Send help pages. And with these 6 steps, that's how easy it is to get started with the Amazon Send program. For more information, visit the Amazon Send help pages on Seller Central.